Greetings and welcome back to Dragon Quest VIII. We have arrived at the waterfall, and now we gotta poke it. Yeah. The crystal ball is suspended in the air. Reach out and take it. Boss fight.
Wahaha! Surprise! Surprise! Meet Geyzer. I am the master of this waterfall. Oh, how long it's been? How many people have gone and come? 10 long years and more. I've waited 10 years, I tell you. All the time hoping for the left one. I mean, the right one to come. But enough with the introductions. Now, for the truement of truth. Does this Bristol call, crystal ball belong to you? At last we fit mace to mace. You half-wit human!
I think you meant to say meet face to face.
Now I'll teach you a moron. I mean a lesson you won't forget.
That poor crystal ball messed up your poor head. That way you got a scar on your head. I am going to psych up. So is Yangus. Oh yeah, raise that tension. Get excited. Oh no, Yangus is cursed. Ow. That kinda hurt. I'm gonna keep psyching up anyway though. However, I'm gonna heal up with Yangus. High tension. Now watch this damage. It's going to be good. Gosh darn that stupid curse. 74 damage. Very nice, very nice. I might have to use the hero to heal. Ouch. Oh man, Yangus. Stay alive, Yangus. Stay alive. Ouch. Might have to heal him again. You just keep cursing. defeated. Yay, a level up. Gub learns new spell, evac. I think he'll, 7. I just needed one more point.
Oh, the pain, the pain. Oh, my old wound. Ever since I got this, I've not been right quite. And it's all because of you. What? You don't know what I'm talking about? Then you...
I didn't throw the crystal ball in the water.
You're not the true owner of this crystal ball! No! The same! The same! So strong! Strong enough to withstand my fearsome might. You are no fortuneteller! Wait, could you be... The Waterfall rears many humors, you know. I hear that a castle called Dragon has been cursed. That it was overrun by thorns. And that only one person inside survived.
Yep, that was me. And Trodain was my kingdom.
He set off on a journey, leading a horse and cart with a lone driver.
Horse and cart. Yes, that was all me. Lord Trodain. It was such a nice kingdom.
As I thought, that was you! I don't know what you want with this crystal ball, but it's yours now. I accept the hands. Or is it defeat?
Yes, it's defeat.
One last thing. Should you meet the true owner of this crystal ball, tell him this from me. Don't throw things in the forewater! So, where thee fell, oh, the pain, oh my old. Oh.
I'll tell him for you. Poor Geyzer. He was probably just resting or whatever, and all of a sudden this ball comes out of nowhere and whacks him in the head. I've got just enough points to use the evac spell. How convenient. On my first playthrough I didn't have enough MP to do that, and so I had to walk all the way out of the dungeon. So it's kind of annoying, but yeah. Let's head back to town. Hi honey, we're home.
I knew you would return before long. And it seems you have done as Valentina asked. You see, even with a glass ball, the great Calderasha's eyes see further than you realize. But you are meddling in matters that do not concern you, and you are wasting your time. You can bring back my crystal ball as many times as you like. I will just throw it away again. What? Don't throw things in the waterfall. It might open up an old wound. What on earth are you talking about?
Don't ask me. Geyzer didn't specify.
Enough. Listen to me. No one knows why I threw away my crystal ball. Even Valentina has no idea. I'm not about to confide in a stranger. Give it to me! This time I will smash it into 1,000,000 pieces, so it never finds its way back to me again!
Stop! Please stop, Father. I know. I've known for ages. I know why you threw away your crystal ball.
You know? So you know about your real parents?
Yes. And I don't blame you for their death.
Why not? How can you not blame me, Valentina? How can you not hate me?
Because you were just fortune-telling. Just doing what you do best. I was too young to remember, but you were once a truly great fortune-teller, weren't you, Father? No one knew where my parents had fled to, but to you, it was as clear as day.
Ah. Back then, there was nothing I could not see. The great Calderasha was known all over the world. I was walking on air. Fortune-telling was my life. It was my soul. I thought only of myself, be they good or bad. I cared not who asked me to use my crystal ball. I lived for the vision.
It's all right, Father. You're a good man. You took me in and raised me, didn't you? I want to see it for myself. I want to see the great Calderasha in all his glory. I want to see your magnificent powers at work again, Father.
Oh, my sweet Valentina.
I guess we're staying the night. Phew. Looks like he's zonked out for the count. Phew. Wait a minute. Isn't this the room with the book about fortune telling? No. It's the book about monsters. Maybe it's another place about fortune telling.
So, you are awake at last. It is already past midday. You must have been exhausted. I must thank you and your friend. Look, I have put my crystal ball back where it belongs. Many years have passed since I gazed into the crystal like this. I have to thank you for returning it to me.
You didn't
What is this?
seem so grateful last night.
Yes, I see it. There is a jester breaking through the southern checkpoint. Yes, the mists are clearing. And the same jester murdered Master Rylos. Yes, the mists are clearing. Can it be? Surely not. He has changed. But there can be no mistake. It has to be Master Rylos's former pupil, Dulmagos!
What? Gov, he said Dolmagus, right? That's our man. That's the evil magician you and the old grandad are after, innit? So where'd he go after that? What else can you deduct?
What else? Let me look deeper. Huh? What's this? Yes, no question. This is definitely my old crystal ball, but look here. It has been chipped. Huh. It must have hit something very hard to do this damage.
Yep.
And look! Someone has scratched some letters next to the chip. What? Half-wit? Who's the half-wit? What ignorant lowlife would do this to my crystal ball?
Well, it's your own fault for throwing it in the waterfall.
You what? When I ask what else you could see, I didn't mean on the ball, I meant in the ball. Whatever, I'll come and Gov.
And there you have it. So basically, in the game, if you ever get lost or need some guidance, you can come back here and talk to Calderasha, and he'll give you a vague hint as to where you're supposed to be going and what to do. Oh crap, I didn't mean to talk again. Yes, I'll tell him you said thanks. And there we go. We're off to Alexandria now. Because that's where Dalmagus was headed, through the southern checkpoint, which, if you don't remember, we kind of walked past the southern checkpoint on their way to the guy's pool bag that we got in the second episode.
So, what happened? Did you do what the young girl asked? Well?
Yep. Said head south to find Dolmagus.
What? Dulmagus killed Master Rylus? The same Dulmagus we're looking for? That fiend killed his own teacher?
The one and only.
And you say he headed south? Then there's no time to lose. We must go after him at once. Let's be on our way.
So yeah, heading off south. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. It's been about 20 minutes. That's a nice length for an episode. Until next time, we will head to Alexandria. Till then, take care and have a lovely day.